Hey guys, Nate Madsen here. So I have a couple days before Inside Outside Retreat. I've been doing a ton of work on my horn and practicing, as you can tell by the chaos on my piano. Lots of music, saxophone, and my studio chair is so noisy. Okay, so I wanted to jump in really quick. A couple months ago, I was talking to a good buddy of mine who's getting into audio production at work at SciPlay. He's a guitarist, he's got some background, but he has never done audio production. So he comes by and we chat. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy seeing his passion, seeing him grow as an audio production artist. I wanted to show him something that I started doing back in 2003. So a little bit of context for you guys. I started writing music on the computer in 2000. But it was just stuff that I just put out there to my girlfriend or to my friends or to my family at the time. And I never shared it with anyone who wasn't directly tied to me. So I was always worried when I would get feedback, hey, that sounds good. I was always worried, are they being biased? Do they care more about my feelings versus being objectively honest? And then I stumbled across a website called Acid Planet. Now, for those that don't know, Acid Planet is no longer around, but it was tied to Sony's Acid. Acid DJ, they have a couple other lines that they do, I believe Vegas as well. And so I, in 2003, put my music up there. I put this little simple song, nothing fancy, it's like maybe a minute and 10 seconds long. I put out there, and for the first time I had people who didn't know me from Adam giving me feedback on my music. And it really was empowering. And it also allowed me to kind of break that barrier or that internal struggle of, oh, you're just saying this because you're my girlfriend or because you're my friend or because you're my mom and dad. Instead, it's people who don't know me give me critical, honest feedback. It was a huge growing moment for me. And so my encouragement to you guys and gals is, if you haven't done that, find a community online where you can share your stuff. It's a little bit harder now. What I mean by saying it's a little bit harder now is the fact that there's a ton of places where you can share your stuff, but there's very little feedback happening. And that's one of the things that made Acid Planet special, was it seemed to be something where I would put a song up and I would have 10 people write comments, write reviews. Hey, I like this track, I like this, I like that, I don't like that. And they had a rating system, a 0 to, or maybe it was 1 to 10 stars. It could be the whole I scratch your back, you scratch mine, because I would see someone review my work and I would thank them, and I would go off and I would review some of their stuff. So there, of course, is some personal skin in the game, so to speak. It's not just out of the goodness of the heart that they're reviewing everything, but it did give you a ton of feedback. If you have an online community, it could be a Facebook group page, it could be some other website where you feel like I am getting that kind of interaction with people, please share that with me. First off, I would love to know it just for my own personal reasons, but also I would love to be able to share that and update people who check out this vlog. And by the way, thank you for checking out the vlog if you're doing so. I would love to share that with more people so they can also know about these venues and possibly get the same kind of growing experience that I got from Acid Planet. Reach out to people, see if you can find a group of people who can give you input on your work. It's going to help you grow in so many ways. It's a quickie, that's a real fast one, but I have basically today and tomorrow, and then I'll leave early Tuesday morning to the saxophone retreat. I'll be in Only, Tennessee for 6 days, Tuesday until Sunday. In fact, I have family in Tennessee. I would love to see them. I have friends in Tennessee, in Nashville that I would love to see. But it's literally going to be getting off the plane, getting to the camp, doing the camp, getting back to the airport, flying back here. It's going to be no downtime. But I'm excited about it. I don't feel fully prepped, but it is what it is. I've put the time in that I can put in. I'm just ready to go learn and grow and experience what the Inside Outside Retreat's all about. If you like these videos, if you want more of it, please hit like, subscribe if you want to be notified when I post new ones. Hit me up with a question or a comment if you want to have some interchange with me. I will definitely be doing a video post the saxophone retreat to give you guys an update, what I learned, what I took away from it, what went well, what could have gone better. Hopefully I don't get too sunburned, all that type of stuff. But it should be a great time. And until next time, take care. Be safe. Thanks.